Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. God is always near, but why doesn't everyone feel that closeness? The Quran says about I am here. I responded to the call of one who calls whenever he calls to me. The Prophet ﷺ has said, God Almighty is ready to forgive the one who seeks forgiveness, and He is ready to help the one who asks for help. Think of it like a magnet and iron nail. The closer to the iron nail moves to the magnet, the stronger the pull, and the further it moves away, the weaker the attraction. So in the same way, when we remember God, we enter His field of mercy and guidance. The more we remember God, the more closer we feel to Him, and the less we remember God, the more distant life feel from God.